Hello guys, welcome to my this video, and in this JavaScript tutorial I will discuss about the difference between filter method and find method. And the syntax of both methods are same and the work is same, but there is a little bit of difference, and that difference today I will just discuss. But before showing the difference, here I will create an array. ARR, this is the variable name, so you can write any name of this variable, an array. And here just I'm assuming you know how to create an array. And inside this array just I will put two elements, 4 and 8. You can put more than two elements, like here you can put 10, 20, any kind of elements you can put here. But guys, for making it easy, first of all I will put here two elements. Okay, and now guys, here you have to understand the purpose of use filter method and find method. So first of all guys, I will just explain the purpose of use filter method. So guys, filter method just filter the data from an array, or you can say it filter the element from an array. Suppose I want to filter that is 4 from this two element, or element may be more than two element. Here is the two element 1 and 2. It may be the more than two element, but from this element of from this array just I want to filter 4, so it will give you the return output, that is 4. So this is the purpose of use filter. And find, so guys, find method just search the data from an array, right? So guys, here suppose I want to search, this is 4, so it will be also return 4. So guys, here you can see the work is both is same, and also when I will write the syntax you will find the syntax is also same, but here is little bit of difference. So now guys, first of all I will write the filter method, and I will show in practical exam. So guys, filter, okay, and filter is the method, so that's why I have to be write this parenthesis, because we know when we write method or someone called it function, so that time we write parenthesis. Okay, and it takes a parameter. So parameter name you can write anything. Here I will write the parameter name is e, and I will use callback. Okay, and now if I console this e, console.log this e, so that means it will return 4 and 8, because e means now this element may be here 10, 2, anything. So now this element will comes in this e parameter. Okay, so it's clear now. So I have console this e, and now guys, after using this filter method I will store it in a variable. So the variable name I will write filter method. Okay, and I will console here dot log this filter method, this one. Okay, so now save, and just I will refresh and open the console. So here you can see I open this console. So here 4 and 8, it's written 4 and 8, because here e is now this element, e is denoting this element, and filter method it's a loop. So first of all e is going 4, after that it's a loop, so it will go one by one. So after that 8, if you write here any other element, so that will be print in here, because e will denote all the element, right? So now guys, from here just I want to filter the value which is more than 4, or I want to filter the value which is more than 4. So e is now denoting this element, so here I will write the condition e is greater than 4, so that value will be written in this variable, because e first of all it will check 4, because it's a loop and it will check one by one, and e is denoting now this element. So first of all it will comes 4, and it will check 4 is similar to 4, so it will not return 4. When it will comes 8, so it will check 8 is greater than 4. Okay, so that time it will just return. So just I will save, and here just refresh. So you can see it's returning 8, and also it's return a new array. And guys, here I'm explaining everything, because if you are facing the interview and interviewer asks this question, so you can explain that in details. That is, it's written a new array. You can see filter method, when it's giving the output, it returning a new array, right? And you can see here it's written 8 because 8 is greater than 4. Okay, and same way now I will write find method. So just here I will copy, and I already said filter and find method is same, so just variable name I will change here, that is find. And now here I will copy and paste this variable here, and I am using find method. So instead of filter I will write method is find. So save, and here just I will concatenate, so you will be understand which is coming from filter and which is coming from find method. So this one is from filter, so I will write a string value filter, and this one is for find method, so here I will write find. Save and refresh, so you can see both are returning same 8. So just I will add a space so it will be more clear. So save, you can see filter is also returning 8, find is also returning 8, and the checking is same, which one which value is more than 4, so that will be returned. So both are returning same. But guys, here you have to be understand filter method just filter the data, but find method just search the data. So now guys, if I write here 10, so now two element 8 and 10 is greater than 4. So guys, here it should be written 8 like in array 8 and 10, and here in the find method it should be written 8 and 10 because when it's coming e, so e it's all the elements, so now e is greater than 4, that time 8 and 10 is greater than 4, so it should be written 8 and 10. But guys, here I will show you the output, but here you can see the changes and the difference. Okay, so refresh, so you can see just filter method returning 8 and 10, but find method is returning 8. Why guys? Because filter method just filter the data, I mean just it extract the data which is match our condition. So here 8 and 10 is match our condition because 8 and 10 is greater than 4, so it's written 8 and 10. But find method just search, so that means when it will comes 4, so it's checking 4 is similar to 4, it's not greater than, so it's not returning 4. When it will comes 8, so it will checks 8 is greater than 4, so that time it will return 8. And when it finds once element, so it will not go ahead, so that's why it will returning that is 8 only. So we can understand the difference. Filter method return the data which is match our condition, but find method return only the first position of array element which is match our condition. Here the first position is match 8 is greater than 4, so it's just returning 8, not 10. Suppose guys, here the 10 would be before than 8, this one, so that time when it checks 4 is not greater than 4, it's a similar, I mean equal, so that time it would not be written 4. When it comes 10, so it would find 10 is greater than 4, so just here it would return 10 only, not 8, because it's a find. When it finds 1, that is our match condition, so it will be written. Let's check it, so you can see it's returning 10. So if interviewer asks you that is the difference between filter and find method, so you can easily now give the reply, that is filter method just extract the data and return the new array, and find method just return the first position of an array which is match our condition and creates a new array. So that is the difference. Okay, and I hope guys you have understand, and if you have any doubt, so you can write in comment, I will try to solve your doubt. And if you find this video is helpful, so guys don't forget to and subscribe my channel and also press the notification bell icon to get more up.